my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are welcome. Okay, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to repair your skin in 10 minutes if you're going for an occasion and you want to look bright and glowing. This remedy is going to be ideal for you. So if you do love the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Alright guys, so let's dive into the video. Let me show you all of the natural ingredients.
Now, to repair your skin in just 10 minutes, you're going to be needing fresh aloe vera, okay? This time, you're not going to be using the processed aloe vera because it's going to be a 10 minutes miracle skin repair, okay? So, the fresh aloe vera is going to be perfect for this. Aloe vera contains an enzyme that helps to develop the skin cells, therefore increasing the skin elasticity and making the skin look young, healthy, and beautiful. So for the aloe vera, I'm just gonna take some piece of it and repair it, guys. To repair it, you have to just take out the sharp edges of this aloe vera, okay, so that you can reveal the gel, and then you open that up really well. So the gel is here, and now what we're going to do, I'm going to be scraping it this way, okay, so that I can get just the gel without any lumps. So I'm just going to gently scrape it, and if you can't do it this way, you have to just remove it and blend it. When you blend it, the sliminess is just going to reduce. And then we're going to be making use of potato. Now, potato is one natural ingredient that contains a whitening property and an ageless property that helps to slow down the age process, and it also helps to whiten up and lighten up the skin, and it will therefore help to repair a damaged skin, removing fine lines, closing up large and open pores. Alright, so for the potato, I'm gonna be peeling it, okay? Now I'm just gonna be grating it, okay? So we can get the juice from the potato. Or you can blend yours, guys, to make it easier to okay. So I'm gonna be turning in potato, and then I would have to and also we're going to be making use of rice powder. Now, with the help of rice powder, the skin is going to glow, the skin is going to be, and then rice powder is going to help to scrub out the dead skin cells, therefore leaving the skin glowing, youthful, and beautiful. Alright, so for the rice powder, I'm going to be taking just 1 teaspoon of that. And then the last ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be brown sugar. Now you have to use brown sugar because this contains the smaller granular particles that helps to scrub out the dead skin cells from the skin, leaving the skin youthful and glowing, and it also helps to make the skin really soft and tender. And for the sugar, also 1 teaspoon because I'm going to be needing that much. I think we'll be needing much more sugar. Then we're just going to stir it. Okay, so if the consistency is not friendly enough, I'm just going to be adding up the potato juice so it's going to be very friendly. Alright guys, so here is the consistency, really friendly and very light. But if you blend your aloe vera, it's not going to be this slimy. The sliminess is going to cut off. Okay, this treatment you can actually use it every day if you have a very rough skin. But if you just want to go out on occasion and you don't know what to do to revive your skin to make it smooth, use this. Alright guys, alright, so here's the treatment and you can see how it is, very friendly and different from your neck is different from your face. That's why I'm actually telling you that. So now you're just going to apply this onto your face. Really cool, man. Aloe vera is very good. Alright. Alright, so after you've applied this generously onto your face, if you don't blend your aloe vera, you're gonna have this tingling feeling on your face. It's normal. It's actually called the sliminess of the aloe vera. Okay, so you apply this and then you have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes then you can go wash it off with warm water, just warm water. Let's wash it off with warm water. It's gonna be good. So lukewarm water is going to be perfect to wash this off. Okay, so it could remove all of the sliminess of the aloe vera on your face. Well, why I can actually talk and wash and this stuff get into my mouth is because all of the ingredients in it are edible. Okay, so it's not going to harm me or anything. Alright guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share the video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.